In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on your 2011 to 2014 Hyundai Sonata, and I'll also show you how to reset the clock and the radio stations and all of that. So let's get started. Open the driver's side door. Right there where the driver's left side foot goes, there's the hood release lever there, the sign on it. Pull it. Now in front of the vehicle, right on top of the Hyundai emblem there, put your hand in there and pull it up. And the hood just opens up and it's supported by those two rods over there. That's one and that's two. That's what the battery is. We need to take off the negative terminal, the positive terminal, and the retaining clip over there. That's where the bolt for the positive terminal is. Okay. For this, we just need two wrenches, the 10mm wrench and 12mm wrench. Both of them are very common sizes. So first, let's get the 10mm wrench and start loosening the negative terminal, so we can just break the connection. Once you do that, there's no electrical connection. Okay, get that negative terminal out of the way. Now let's loosen up the positive one. Again, we don't have to loosen it all the way, we just need to get it loose enough so we can get the connector off the battery post. Alright, so the positive one is loose now. Let's get it off. There's no space, so it's just gonna stay there for now. Alright, now get the 12mm wrench and loosen that retaining clip bolt. It may be hard, so you can use both hands to get support and so that the wrench doesn't slip off the bolt. Get that retaining clip out. Now comes the slightly tricky part. We gotta tilt the battery and then get it out. The battery is heavy, so be careful. Don't hurt yourself. Alright. Just get that out now. Again, be careful. That positive connector is gonna come in the way. So get it out. Now just put it over there like that. Let's get a piece of rag and just clean up the area where the battery sits. I mean, you don't have to, but it's a nice thing to do. Now let's get that jacket off the old battery. And when you're putting it back, that cutout over there goes right where the positive battery post is. Like that. Slide it on it. Now let's put the battery back in place. The battery is heavy, so you'll have to tilt it first and just put it on that area there. Get that weight off your hands, and now you can adjust it. We can just put that positive terminal connector on the positive battery post. Just put it on there for now. Adjust the battery, right? And now first let's go and get that retaining clip. You can just screw that bolt on with hand first, then get the 12mm wrench, tighten it. See, the battery's not moving now anymore. Now make sure the positive battery connector is on. Let's tighten that up using that 10mm wrench. Close that. Now let's do the negative one. See, as soon as I connect that connector, you're gonna hear the click. Alright, so now we have made the connection. Again, tighten that up. That's good. Let's close the hood now. Just bring it down and then slam it shut. That's it. And now let's try starting the car and see how it goes. Okay, so the clock has been reset. That's fine. It's an on. So the trip gauges are fine. They haven't been reset, so that's good. Start the engine. Starts okay. Alright, so now let's go ahead and reset the clock and the radio stations. So we gotta turn the radio on first. And then just follow what I'm doing over here and you'll be able to reset the clock. Go to clock first, press enter. Oops, okay, enter. Alright. Change the time. Press enter again, change the minutes. That's it, time set. Now press setup and you'll be back in the main screen. Now, we also need to reset the radio stations. So go to your favorite radio station first, press 1 and hold it, set. Do the same thing for the next one, and so on and so forth. And that's pretty much it. We replaced the battery in less than 5 minutes.